What we're doing is a little bit of carnival food, finger foods. So that's what I kind of want to do on the show this season. One of the first things I think when you hit the road, you go in the savannah, a corn soup is something that very much us. So this is my version of a corn soup, guys. I am doing a creamy corn soup. I am starting with oil and a little bit of butter that I just want to get melted here. And it's a real simple recipe. I kind of like to make sure my recipe is simple that you could just try at home. Get the recipes on copperjoecaribbean.com. All our recipes right there. Oil and butter, Jaiga, and I'm starting with some onions. Onions, very important. Onions in oil and butter. I'm working on the fragrance. It could be a male fragrance. Right. You just spray it to the back of your neck and you hit the road. And so, you're smelling it.
Oil and butter by who? By who?
Le Copperjoe. You know how to put onions in oil and let it saute and put some garlic, and people say, good.
I'll shadow Benny yourself too.
I'll shadow
Benny yourself too.
So this is where we start. About a middle minute, just to let the onions kind of consume a little bit. And I'm adding pumpkin. So I have pumpkin and I have some pimentos.
Right.
Everything kind of going is a kind of one pot. You know, you build a soup. So I have pumpkins and I have some pimentos, and you allow it, all the vegetables to get to know each other. I have garlic. I leave my garlic for last because I don't want burnt garlic. The worst thing, anytime you're doing any type of pot, sauteing anything, put your garlic in last because you don't want your garlic to go in and burn. Garlic kind of gives it that little aromatic kind of vibe that you want to put in last. So
and then the flavor might be permanent. A little too much.
A little too much.
Yeah.
Right? A little minute or so to do its thing. We're making corn soup.
Masa corn.
Masa corn. And this is out of the can. So this is no mass. This is just out of the can of corn. You drain your water, a couple cans of corn, and you have corn that you just add straight in there. The amount of corn flavor in this bad boy, you wouldn't believe. And I want to mix that in with everything. Yeah. And I season it up. I have some Trini green seasoning. I have a little Worcestershire sauce.
Right.
I have some chopped shadow benny put in there. And I just want to season salt, pepper, and you mix that together. You mix that in. Okay, so the corn meet the pumpkin and kind of...
Pumpkin meet the shadow benny meet the onion.
Yeah.
The onion top into the garlic.
And then, so I have out of the can some vegetable stock.
Right.
You can do chicken stock. You can do any type of stock you want. The stock important. It kind of gives a nice little depth of flavor to the soup, and you really just pour that in. And some water. Guys, if you're looking for the recipe, copperjoecaribbean.com. Even Tyron's drink, you can find that recipe there as well. You can go and make Tyron's absolute free again cocktail on the show. I leave this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Allow it to do its thing. After 15 to 20 minutes, this is what I do to bring this soup together. Very simple, very easy. Allow corn mixture to cool. Transfer the mixture to a blender in batches. Process until smooth. Place back in the pot and return to the stove over a low heat. Then add some cream and stir well. Taste and adjust seasonings only if necessary. So that's right. And you get this lovely looking soup. One of the things that you can do, not everybody, Jaiga, has a pepper pot. I don't know if you have a pepper pot.
Yeah, you can
take a little spicy.
Yeah,
so you can add your favorite pepper sauce to this concoction as well. You know, if it is you want light slight pepper, or you're a medium kind of guy, I'm a medium pepper kind of guy. Your final product, as I said, that little touch of cream, and make sure you use heavy cream, guys. It gives it that kind of nice, luxurious type of feel when it hits your tongue and it hits your palate. So, time to serve up and down. This is corn soup, cup of joe style. Nice serving. One more little thing.
Garnish business.
Garnish business. If you didn't tag with a little good garnish, sure.
Yeah.
Tag with a little garnish.
But you're seeing thing, man.
A
You're
same
seeing
thing. A same thing. Yeah?
Yes, boy,
Yeah.
yes, look.
Nah, look at it. Yeah.
Right?
Look him.
Tell me.
Guys, just so you know, retail this is 280.
Like, what do you understand? 400 US. Just so.
Retail this is 200. That's all like, you know, retail this is 200, right?
Tell me what it's saying, Jaiga. Tell me what it's saying. I'm going to get a little bit for time.
Let me sample it and see what it's saying here. Yeah, boy.
Here you go, buddy.
Thank you, Joe.
Now you're saying things.
You see all the simple ingredients, sir?
Nah, boy. Nah, boy, nah, boy.
So this is not your ordinary after the fat kind of corn soup.
No, man, this
No,
could
it's
work
a-
too. This could work too.
I find this kind of bougie, eh?
Yeah.
It's a little bougie.
Nah, this little
It's a little bougie.
Yeah.
This little me if I get this on the side of the road, this little bougie. This
But
little bougie.
if couple Johnny said they roll after the fete and I say, hey, all them come over.
Nah, this bougie. I no disrespect to everybody, but this have a little Caucasian, a little Caucasian. This is uptown. This is real uptown, eh?
We coming back on here. Try the recipe, cupofjoecaribbean.com. Time. We coming back.